January 7th, 2012. The master of the MSC Poesia turned this 965-foot vessel towards Lucaya Beach, Grand Bahama, and ran it solidly aground. As we came at the ship from behind, you can see 3 tugboats pulling on the back. This is because the wind is blowing towards shore and shallower water. As you will see, while the front is hard aground, there is still a few inches of water below the propellers. A ship as massive as the Poesia acts as a giant sail when the wind blows from the side. In case anyone missed the name, look along the waterline of the ship. That gray streak just above the water is usually below the water. See how it is wider at the front than the back, demonstrating the front of the ship is higher. As we move to the front of the ship, you can see the stabilizer partially out of the water. A close-up shows the amount out of the waterline. The water is about 15 feet deep here. The ship needs 26. Because scale is so hard to see, and this ship is so massive as to confuse the eye in the camera, I've included this shot of the front. Divers jumped into the water and snorkeled down around the front of the ship to get some idea of the damage and what was going on below the water. Here is a shot of the bottom with the ship grounded into the substrate. It lets you know that while the front of the ship is sticking out of the water, it is also sticking down into the reef. Almost like a porn shot, we know exactly what this ship did to our reef and our livelihoods.